All right, so today we have on this interview in this video with us Sushant Shah, who's from Mumbai, located in Mumbai, and he's a part of my community, the community that I run, which is by the name of Internet Marketing Ninjas. And this is one of our first few success stories because I've recently started my community not very long ago, and Sushant's been a part of the community for quite some time. So he is the one who's got some incredible results, and I call this. Interview this, what do you say, the hall of fame for our community as the 50x club. And the fun fact to this is that it was actually Sushant who suggested me this name for this hall of fame, the series of videos for success stories of Internet Marketing Ninjas. So we have him. So Sushant, welcome to 50x club, featuring you as the first interview itself. It's my honor, and it's my pleasure to see you grow, brother. Thank you so much. Please, over to you. I want you to smash your internal fears, because that's what's stopping you. Go ahead and introduce yourself, talk about yourself, and where are you from? Let everybody who's watching this video, let them know what do you do, just your basic stuff.
Thank you. First of all, thank you. Thank you very much, Rohan, for the amazing course, the amazing community, and the amazing support. Now, I would like, quickly just describe about myself. So I have been working with Book My Show till August 2020. And then due to COVID, I lost my job. Basically, I am from a very small town. And then I have been to Mumbai for a few years. And then I got interested into holistic integrated wellness therapies. So the learning has been since 20 years. But once I got free from my job, I got the idea to build my own website and starting to promote.
Right.
And that time I got full time into my business. And basically I'm from Mumbai and I deal into around 150 plus alternative healing modalities.
Wow. Okay. Awesome. Well, I did not know about this about you, that you were in Book My Show doing a job till 2020. That's new for me. Like, we have spoken before on one-to-one sessions as well, and I never knew that. So that's something new for me. And more power to you. This is really inspiring. And our stories is very similar, because in 2020 is something similar happened to me as well in my job, and
Yeah.
that's what did got me the paradigm shift. That's where the paradigm shift happened for me also, and I started what I'm doing. So more power to you, and incredible niche and talent you have, and the problem that you're solving as well. So I want you to tell people that I know what you do, really, like, as in form of your business, but I want you to tell people what exactly, like, in brief, keeping it short, what exactly do you do? Like, are you a coach or a consultant, or you are a consultant and coach both? And what are the kind of people you really cater to in what you do?
Yeah. So basically, as I said, 150 techniques. These are spread across three different, I call it at three sections. So the first part is divination. Divination means basically prediction.
Okay.
Prediction, we have astrology, numerology, tarot reading, we have automatic writing, runes reading,
Okay.
psychic reading, a lot of things like that. Then second, we have healing part. Healing means it works on the solution. A prediction may not necessarily give you a solution. It will just give you a clarity about your future, or
Right.
maybe it can tell you about your past.
Right.
Healing will give you a solution part, where other services like signature designing, numerology, and logo designing, space clearing, vastu,
Right.
energy healing, all these things come.
Right.
And the third is the coaching part. So coaching is basically bringing person from point A to point B.
Right.
So if they want some specific thing in their life, it could be
Right.
personal coaching, it could be relationship coaching.
Right.
So that's where I be with them till the time they have reached the point B.
Wow. Awesome. So the level of commitment as a coach itself is something which I think tells a lot more about the coach. How much is the coach committed to your success is what I think, as they say, it's a very popular saying that you should be known more than just not your social media reels, but your work ethics, as they say in
Correct.
today's day and age. So it's about that. And I can resonate with you because I know your work ethics. You worked really hard, and I know your story also. and you're getting results, which truly makes me happy and fulfilled to see you get success here. And I'm pretty sure a long way to go. Okay, so what I want to first of all ask you here, and let's get into some real things that people who's watching this video would probably want to know. So I want to first of all ask you that how much did you make so far after you started post getting into the community, and after you started to implement the methods, and in how much time roughly after the implementation phase?
Yeah, so I implemented it around, I think, a month to 1.5 months back, when my entire website and all the setup was ready.
Right.
The small mini automations were ready.
Right.
And once I started implementing it, I had my first workshop, and the income from that workshop was around 50,000 was the income for people who upgraded to the paid version
Right.
of that mini workshop of 3 hours.
Right.
And from there, I announced my course for level 1.
Right.
You have a result in 3 hours. Now, if
Right.
you want my support for longer term,
Right.
and you want to explore more things, you register for my level 1.
Right. Right.
So there around, it was around all these two inclusive, it went to around 2 lakh.
Awesome. Okay.
It was 1.6 plus this 40.
Okay. So in total, so that was how it started. And now it has touched, just before we started this interview, this video, you told me it was touching close to 3.
Correct.
Yeah.
It is around 3.5, because then people upgraded to the level 2 course. So I would say, yeah,
okay,
that all result was the initial funnel
Mhm.
and the main workshop.
Right. So it took you roughly about how long to hit that number, 3.5, around 3.5?
1.5 months, I would say. Less,
Okay.
in fact.
Less.
Because
Okay.
Meanwhile, I was traveling, so there was a gap of 10 days. Otherwise, people were ready for level 2.
Right, right. So I want people who are watching right now, I want you to, try to understand this, that Sushant is not just a coach. If you're watching this video right now, so he's not a course seller. Okay. And neither am I. And I want to tell you that he is more of a consultant. So Sushant, I want you yourself to tell people that are your courses pre-recorded courses?
Not yet.
Okay.
As of now, I'm taking one-to-one, not one-to-one, but group courses.
Right, right. So it's group coaching format. You go live with people every day on a
Yes.
daily basis. Like, you can say the usual offline training process, how it is. Like if you join an institute, for example, you want to learn, or you want to get a certification diploma on a subject. So it's the same process there, but instead of doing it offline, you do it online. So it's the same live kind of a feeling that you give to them,
It's
right?
the same live kind of course where they have, enough time for support,
Right.
clarifying, implementing, practicing, and even at times I support few people with one-to-one calls, and even I give support for how they can get more clients for this niche. Because
Right.
this is what I know. I don't know
Right.
about all businesses.
Right,
but I
right.
just know about my business.
Awesome.
So how
Awesome.
they can explore, they can grow in that. So that guidance also I give it to them.
Right. Superb. Superb. This is the kind of ripple effect we are creating together, right? Like you learned a few things from me, and then you implemented, you got results, and now you're sharing some similar things with your own students also, with your, consultancy clients, and you're helping them get results also. That's kind of a ripple effect. We're creating so much, power in this business model. And that's why I always, my heart goes out to everybody who's like a content creator. For example, consultants, for example, coaches, for example, affiliate marketers, freelancers, people who are adding value in someone's life. I truly feel very much connected with such kind of people, and people, especially those people who are doing whatever it takes to make it happen. So you're one of them. So great to have you as a part of the community again. So what I want to really here talk about and ask you is that extremely important question here. Okay. Like it's the burning question right now that I think people who are watching this video would really, truly would want to know, which is how much money did you spend roughly, approximately, before you came to me on online and offline courses?
See, the money I spent, to be honest, I never did accounting, but I would just tell you just 1 year,
Yeah.
Just tell you maybe in 2020 itself, it was around more than 1.5 lakh.
Wow. And that's all related to online marketing, some funnel strategies.
Digital marketing, creating your website on WordPress. Some courses are on, kind of promoting like Facebook advertising, this, that. Some are on different topics.
Right,
basically.
right.
Canva designing and everything. Basically.
Right, right.
So you name any good trainer or course, I have his course, like the top level.
Okay, superb, superb. So what made you implement my methods and formulas, the strategies, the concepts that I share inside the courses? What made you implement those methods and formulas over everyone else? Because you've been part of so many courses already. So just curious, I really want to know.
Yeah, so one thing more I would like to share with you. Maybe I don't know whether you know this thing or not, but yours is the only course which I have completed from first to last lesson and all the everything.
Okay, awesome.
The
Okay,
sales funnel, the building, and all the part, everything. Yours is the
okay,
only course. The rest all courses I started. Maybe between I lost the interest because I couldn't connect the dots.
right, right,
The explanation started from point A and straight away it is going to point M or Z.
right,
You
right.
are unable to connect that where it will be applicable. What would be the next step? How I
Okay,
can apply it in my business? There was a
okay,
tons of theory,
okay,
but yours is all about practical implementation. You
right,
watch it, you do it. You watch it, you plan. You are
right.
able to see the picture where I will be.
Right, right.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's basically the ease of making you take action and the how
Ease
easy
of
I've made.
making me take action, I would say at times I have been a little bit lazy bum. So you are again the first coach I have seen who is literally after people like, man, complete it, man, do it.
Right,
So that was one I somehow I felt accountable to you, like, I need to complete it and maybe do the weekly. Initially, there are weekly challenges which you do
right,
every time. So initially there were weekly challenge. Who has done this?
right,
Where you have reached? Is your page ready? So
right.
that was again, another thing which
Made you
literally
implement.
positively pushed me to
Right,
complete it and implement it faster.
right.
And
I
the
see
another thing
this.
is,
I
it
Yeah,
was
go
very
ahead.
easy,
Right,
because every step is, explained in a very easy manner. Even a 10th grader, maybe a fifth grader will be able to do everything.
right. Well, thank you. That's a huge compliment. And I'll tell you the reason, the only pure reason behind why I structured the courses, all the bundle of courses, everything that inside the community that you are a part of. There's a very logical reason behind it. It did not happen by chance. It took me a lot of time to plan things and to structure them because when in 2016, when I started my online marketing journey, internet marketing in 2016, I did this offline course. It was like a 6 month diploma certification on digital marketing. I spent over 1 lakh there, just the course alone. And then there was, my, commute charges and all of that was on top of it. And plus I was not even in a job at that time. So things were not easy. And that was the first moment when I really thought of becoming a coach, because what I saw in India, because in my past experience I've been in a job and I worked with multinational companies and MNCs and corporate clients and international clients, so more US, UK, Australia based people. So I see the difference. I was able to feel the difference there in the Indian training industry, and especially in the coaching space. And I was seeing that people are not really good coaches. I'm not saying that, not for, if you are someone who's watching it, not for you personally if you're a coach, but I am saying in general as a whole, because I see that people who are teaching things, right, they're just teaching it after reading from a book. And this is the reason the level of conviction is very less, and they don't understand the pain of their student because they have not been there themselves. So on this note, I really want to tell you, if you're someone who's watching this video right now, I want to tell you that, I'm not, this video is not to make you come into my community. Of course, if you want to, I won't stop you. And of course, you're most welcome. But I want to tell you this, that whoever you want to learn from, right? The coach that I will highly suggest you to choose are based upon a lot of factors, but a couple of things that I want you to keep in mind when you choose the mentor or coach you want to learn from is, first, learn from someone who is an implementer. Second, do not learn from someone, or I would not learn, but I would say do not look forward to a coaching program from someone who is not a coach only. Like if there's someone who is doing coaching online courses, a part-time thing, you will be treated like one. So there's a difference between teaching and there's a difference between coaching. And there's a huge difference there. When you coach people, you're accountable to them. And now that our community started to grow, it's difficult to cope up with the big numbers there, but I do everything that's in my control. So I hope that this is giving you clarity if that's someone who's watching it. And if it is, then I want you to hit the like symbol right now. Give me a thumbs up, because YouTube's algorithm will push it forward to other people who probably would want to see this and get inspired here with this inspiring story of Sushant. All right, Sushant, so back to you. So what I want to ask you here is that what is your biggest learning or takeaway from being a part of Internet Marketing Ninjas, the community and the bundle of courses? What are your biggest learning or takeaways? Could be one, could be many, whatever comes to your mind.
Yeah, so biggest learning, one of the learning is things are easy. When we go for, too much data, like, you go to YouTube, you read 10,000 blogs, you go for 20 different courses, you end up complicating yourself.
Right.
So stick to the things which are easy. Again, your course USPs, it is about without spending, maybe even less than 1,000 Indian rupees is what we need to spend. And we are able to generate a very good revenue, which could be equal to someone who is doing after buying, very costly, like this ClickFunnels and similar tools.
Right.
Initially cost them 25,000 a month.
Right.
So that was,
yeah, that's another important point. Extremely well put and very valid point, because again, everything that I teach is from my own experience. When I started, I had no money, and that's the thought that I still have in mind whenever I update the courses or the kind of courses I've created, because I want to make it easy and affordable for people to implement the methods, not having to think about get this email marketing tool, get this ClickFunnels tools, and get this automation tools, because I want to share my affiliate links with you so that I make a commission out of it, a recurring commission, which is what most of or I would say a huge number of coaches, I see them doing that. I'm not saying it's wrong, but I'm saying that you should also think about what happens to people who cannot afford it. So that's
right. In fact, somewhere I would like to say, if I would have so much free money to spend, like everyone 25, 30, 40,000, first on your funnel, then automation, then separate money on email marketing, separate money on SMS, separate money on WhatsApp.
Right.
I would rather give it to some other agency.
Right.
Rather than doing it everything myself. If I want to do it everything myself, I'm spending a huge amount of time.
Right.
I should be paid for that time as a businessman,
Right.
The rule of business is first, you should be the earner.
Right.
If you are end up buying other tools and you are spending heavily, then it's similar to a job.
Right.
You put on a job, you are spending something every month, and
Right.
then whatever you are getting, it is net of the expenses.
Right.
Whereas here I would say the entire earning of around 3.5 lakh, it could be a little bit more, because I have a couple of inquiries still coming in.
Okay.
And people are asking to join in the course.
Okay, awesome. So you may touch 4 also very soon.
I might touch 4 at this level, and for the next level, I might go beyond 5 or 6 also.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
5 for sure. 5.5 for sure.
Awesome.
So, sorry, I just lost the track.
So we were talking about like the overall biggest learning takeaways, and you were mentioning about the less expense towards following my methods,
so
because
the
landing page creation.
Correct. So the entire earning of around 3.5 plus I have made. Initially, I just, because Rohan, if you understand from my place, I have bought around courses from 1.5 in just 2020. If you do it total, it could go beyond 2.5 lakh.
Okay. Right.
Rough figure, it can be 3-4 also.
Okay.
And so I have bought so many. Few of them I have implemented their, first lesson, second lesson, whatever the basic, sometimes the advanced things, sometimes whatever taught in the live, course itself. But somehow I didn't got any result. So I wanted to test it out, because in the past I have done that. I have created a simple page on InstaMojo or a simple landing page on my website, and then sending it across to my old students, existing clients, my contacts, putting it on my Facebook status everywhere.
Right.
So when I did it by applying the HSF and the super sexy looking the landing page, then I would say this entire income is just, I would say I might have spent hardly not more than 2,000.
Right. Okay. So for people, that's incredible. And for people who are
pure
watching
net
this,
profit, 99% pure net profit.
Right. Which
I
is,
would say even if I would have spent on ads, this figure might have went to around 7 to 8 lakhs.
Right. Exactly.
And even the expense would have been still 1%, maybe.
Awesome. Exactly. Which is incredible. That's like the best thing ever as an entrepreneur you would want to see, which is your profitability being that high. And for people who are watching, a couple of things I would want to clarify right now before you get excited. My courses and my program are not about getting you clients or customers organically. Like that's not what I teach. It just happened to be with Sushant because Sushant has been doing this for quite some time. So he has his own circle of people, and he implemented my methods on his own contact and the circle of people that he already has, or he had already. Okay. So that's why for him, so far, he, to get this to this point, he did not have to spend that much of money on ads because of that. So that's, I wanted to clarify that. And HSF, what he just spoke about is hybrid sales funnel, which is my own method, which I talk about inside one of my courses. That's funnel inside a funnel, and how you really need to think about, because what people do in today's day and age, what they're doing online, making money online through your services or products or whatever, courses, whatever it is not that easy. And I see people doing things in the old school way, most of them. And then there's some of good players and some successful people who are following the new age methodologies. But the methods that I follow is old school and new age combined together. And then how I've structured my own process around it, which is hybrid sales funnel. And there's always logic behind whatever in the courses also, I tell you why you need to do this, and not just telling you, do this because I am asking you to. So I always give the logics, and incredible to see that you follow along, Sushant, and getting incredible, massive results, which is awesome. And what I would want to ask you here is, what do you think that consultants, freelancers, coaches, or let's say affiliate marketers, the people that I really cater to most through my own courses and my coaching program, can they find their breakthrough after joining the community, even if probably they don't have clarity on their product? Do you think they will be able to find the breakthrough?
Yes, very much, because they would find clarity right from, how to design their course, go to micro niche.
Right.
Not only niche, maybe somebody can be a business consultant.
Right.
But even in business consultant, there can be micro niche.
Right.
Like I am catering to a different level of people as a business consultant.
Right.
So they would find their micro niche, and right from setting up their, of course, entire platform to present themselves in a very impressive manner to the external world out there, whether it could be by way of advertising or by way of organic traffic. Like you just mentioned, yes, your course is about getting through, maybe, not through organic traffic, but other ways.
Right.
You can advertise it, and looking at it, people would like it.
Right.
But I did it simple promotion, like, in my WhatsApp status, maybe Facebook groups where there can be 20,000 members. Out of them, maybe 100 might be knowing them.
Right.
But still from there, I have got results. So I'm just telling you that from FB group, I'm getting so much good result.
Right.
Paid ad, for sure, I will get at least 10 times more better result.
Right. Which I think you're already in the process now, very soon.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of a result. It's kind of a, proven thing. Like, if you can get result from this, you can straight away go ahead with ads.
Right.
And Rohan, it's not only about setting up your page or website. You provide support on many other things.
Right.
There's Facebook ads, there's how to create a very good, Canva graphic and everything.
Right.
Basically.
Planning out the funnel also.
Yeah, planning out your funnel, closing the clients, how to talk, how to promote yourself, what to do, what not to do, what should be your ethics of your business.
Right.
Even that is also included here. So yeah, I would say, sure. I mean, if somebody who is a coach or consultant and watching this video, you can just jump in without thinking twice, and whatever you are going to invest, you are going to get at least 100x out of the entire course.
Okay, thank you. Well, that's the reason why we call this the 50x club, right? That's the theory behind this 50x is you making 50 times, at least 50 times of what you've invested. So you've made more than that, of course, but for people who are watching, I wanted to tell that. So that's what I do usually inside our meetups. That's why our weekly meetups that we do, live weekly meetups, are like 3 hour long, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours sometimes. Like yesterday itself was a meetup when I'm recording, when we are on this call, and that meetup was the longest by far, crossed 4 hours.
Maybe. Yeah,
4.5 hours, I think, if I remember it right. And incredible session, one of the most powerful sessions. And that's why I like doing what I'm doing, because I don't want to be just a teacher who is teaching stuff. I want to really coach people. I want to really create success stories. I want to help people to break through. Like, for example, if you would ask me, I don't have that much of money to invest on tools, like on recurring cost towards tools, like let's say, for example, ClickFunnels. to create landing pages, for example, email marketing tools, then I would tell you that, what I follow exactly is what I teach. I practice what I preach. So it's like when you start, you have two hands, you have Gmail account, right? Free. Why can't you send manual emails to about 30, 40, 50 emails a day? So people really don't understand this even before they put their skin in the game. And the reason to that is because they think that when you start, and they are now thinking about what happens when I will have 1,000 people subscribed to my email list. What will happen when I'll have to send 1,000 emails a day? What will happen when I have to send 5,000 emails a day? But the problem with that is what people don't think about is that to reach to that point, you'll go slow. It just doesn't happen overnight. And till the time you don't reach there are manual ways of working hard. Work hard, do the manual, follow the manual methods, send emails manually if you have to. Like, for example, the landing page domination, the workshop that I do, that itself is like, hosting is about, decent hosting is going to cost you what, 500 rupees a month, approximately, in Indian currency. And that amount of money, you can have your awesome landing page. And the way you strategize your landing page is what, as I call it, the hybrid landing page. How you strategize it is also a part of the funnel, right? So that's how you can do. So you really don't want to, you don't need to invest so much into online tools. And if you're that someone who is watching this video right now, then I want to tell you that, if you're an aspiring consultant, freelancer, digital coach, online coach, affiliate marketer, then I want you to, down below this video, I'm going to leave a link, and that link will be for, my own workshop. And I don't want you to just jump into my courses, because I'm not just a course seller. I want you to first experience the magic yourself. If you resonate with me as a person at a personal level, through my value system, what drives me, and if you find it the right fit, then only come. Otherwise, don't. So I want you to attend the workshop live for me, or my workshop live, if this interests you. Also, I'm going to leave a link to Sushant's landing page as well, so you can have a look at what he does. And if your niche is something similar to his, then maybe you can learn from him also. And so before we end this incredible, inspiring story and a quick short interview, Sushant, I would want you to ask you this one last question: that what would you like the fellow ninjas, our community members, what would you want to tell them here?
I just want to tell them, like you always say, Rohan, that without action, nothing works. So just take massive action, believe in the system, go with that. Do not play too much with that, because if you are going to buy XYZ tool, or you are going to, in fact, if you remember, even a simple tip like having a hosting on monthly basis would have saved my 27,000 rupees.
Right.
So I would say follow it to a T.
Right.
How things grow gradually, grow small, but
Yes.
You will grow very fast.
Yes.
You will
Awesome.
make very good profits when you go with the way you have explained in the course.
Right. Yes, that's very well said, because as I always say, that if your finances are limited, even if it's not, even if you can afford, more, you have more money to put into business, I would, as I always say, save that money for your marketing costs. Put the money on your marketing rather than putting everything on tools and tools and tools. Just don't have that much of overhead expense on your business even before you started. Then you're not smart enough then. And the way things can be done online, yes, there are ways that you can keep your costs low. Like I still remember when I started my own thing, for a very long time, my monthly cost was around 6,000 rupees, including the Zoom paid and the Teachable, where I upload my courses and stuff. It's all around that. So it is possible, guys, if you're watching that. And thank you, Sushant, for being here in this interview. And it's a powerful story, very inspiring, how you lost your job to where you have reached. And it's amazing to see how, universe is kind of, if your intention is pure, right, universe will get you to the right people. And I think that's how I reached to you and you reached to me. So amazing and inspiring story, truly inspiring. And for people who are watching this, please, I'm not here to help you launch your online coaching program. Okay. I'm not here to tell you what to be consultant on. My courses are not around that. It's around you having clarity on how you strategize your stuff. How can you plan it? How can you make it bulletproof so that you can cater to and cope up with, rise in ad costs, which keeps happening every now and then, and why it is important for you. And, I give you logical reasons. So, that's what it is about. I don't sell my courses or my coaching program just like that. I only do it inside my workshop. So be a part of it if you want to. Check it out, clicking on the link below. Also subscribe to the channel and check out Sushant's link as well on what he does. So Sushant, pleasure to have you here one more time. And let's go ahead and let me give out my favorite word to you on your success, on your first success here, which is kaboom to you, Sushant. All right, kaboom. So you did it. And I look forward to seeing you on the next interview, which will be of what I'm going to be announcing soon inside our community. Okay, so more power to you. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Okay, I'm going to stop recording.
Thank you very much.